Ang next challenge natin ay don't touch the collar. Ang mananalo ay mag-uwi ng 500 pesos mula kay Samber. Salamat, Samber. And, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Ready. Isang color lang muna. Red. Red. Oh, sorry. Okay. Final na, final. Taas kamay. Dalawang kulay Green, blue. Pink, orange. Magagaling. Yellow, green. Blue, black. Grabe. Ayaw magpatalo. Hindi pa nga kailangan naman ito. Pink, violet. Okay, taas kamay. Taas kamay. Violet, green. Ito na patalim-talim na. Next. Taas kamay. Pink, red. Blue, green. Sorry, Sandra. O, lipat ito yung iba. Taas kamay. Yellow, green. Red, orange. Pink, blue. Red, orange. Sorry, Jelly. Nakahawak siya ng puti. Taas kamay. Pink, yellow. Blue, green. Red, orange. Out na si Joanne. Taas kamay. Last 4 girls. Green, blue. Red, orange. Yellow, violet. Sorry, Casey. Sorry. Last 3 women standing. And our second runner-up is... Oh, game. Pink, red. 2 colors. Red, orange. Blue, green. Sorry, you are the second runner-up. Last 2 women standing. Hoy, parehong taga-taytay to, ha? Parehong taga-taytay. May ganun. Oh, game. Tatlong kulay na tayo, ha? Tatlong kulay. Ready? Red, orange, blue. Violet, green, pink. Yellow, blue, red. First runner-up ka lang. At ang nanalo ng 500 pesos from Samber ay si Cheryl. Congratulations!